5 drinks that help lower blood sugar before bed, perfect for diabetics. It may sound unbelievable, but with just a glass of the right drink before bed, you can effectively control your glucose levels. Is this true? Let's find out. Good sleep and stable blood sugar levels are 2 important factors for the health of diabetics. But what if you knew there were drinks that were both delicious and helped balance blood sugar while you slept? Don't miss this video, because I not only reveal 5 great drinks but also show you how to use them most effectively. This will completely change the way you take care of your health. Number 1, ginger is not just a spice. With just a cup of ginger tea, your body will breathe easier with blood sugar control. Ginger has long been considered a miracle drug in traditional medicine, especially Ayurvedic and Chinese, thanks to its special effects that are difficult to match with any other herb. The highlight of ginger lies in the compound gingerol, a powerful active ingredient that helps improve insulin sensitivity, an important factor in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Not only that, gingerol also has the ability to reduce oxidative stress, which is a hidden enemy that causes cell damage in people with diabetes. This is not just a simple effect. In fact, ginger is also considered a shield that protects the body from complications related to blood sugar. But ginger tea is not only special in its effect on controlling blood sugar. When you drink a cup of ginger tea before bed, the body is not only soothed but also activated by the natural recovery mechanism. Ginger has the ability to reduce inflammation, and this is of great significance because chronic inflammation is often a factor that aggravates problems related to blood sugar. In particular, for those who often have digestive problems, ginger tea also helps soothe the stomach, reduce bloating and stimulate better digestion. All of these benefits combine to help you have a good night's sleep and prepare your body to face the new day. An interesting thing that few people know is that ginger also has the ability to regulate cortisol, a stress hormone directly related to fluctuations in blood sugar. For those who face daily pressure, drinking ginger tea in the evening not only calms the mind but also helps the body reduce the negative effects of stress on overall health. This is the reason why ginger is not only loved in the medical field but also in modern healthy lifestyles. Number 2, let cinnamon water work its magic on your body. Good sleep and stable blood sugar after just 1 cup. Not only is it a familiar spice in the kitchen, cinnamon also contains outstanding properties in controlling blood sugar that few people expect. Cinnamon's unique properties lie in its natural compounds that mimic the action of insulin, helping the body process glucose more efficiently. This has been demonstrated in numerous studies, including those published in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology. Cinnamon acts as a powerful aid to the body, especially for those struggling with high blood sugar. But it's not just about controlling blood sugar. Cinnamon is also a rich source of antioxidants, warriors that protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as they are often at high risk of complications such as nerve damage or cardiovascular disease. Drinking a cup of cinnamon water before bed not only helps lower blood sugar, but also creates conditions for the body to repair itself and protect vital organs. The warm and pleasant flavor of cinnamon water also helps soothe the mind, making you feel more relaxed after a long day. For added flavor and health benefits, add a few slices of apple or a squeeze of lemon juice to your cinnamon water. The apple not only adds flavor but also provides fiber, while the lemon provides vitamin C, a natural anti-inflammatory. It's not just a drink, but an easy way to take care of your whole body every day. Number 3, lemon mint tea, a light drink that can do wonders for your health. Imagine your body as a car running on the highway, but lacking some important fuel. Melissa tea is the precious gasoline that keeps your engine running smoothly. By improving insulin sensitivity, this tea helps you control your blood sugar more easily, just like having a solid steering wheel to steer the car away from dangerous curves. In addition, Melissa tea not only helps you steer the wheel in the right orbit, but also has the ability to calm the nerves, releasing the anxiety and stress that are flooding the body. When stress is reduced, blood sugar will no longer spike unexpectedly. In other words, Melissa is a natural medicine that helps the hormone system in your body go into a smooth rotation, like a symphony orchestra blending each note perfectly. Research shows that this tea not only helps reduce post-meal glucose spikes, but also soothes anxiety and stress, two factors that often cause your blood sugar to get out of control at night. Make it a habit to drink Melissa tea an hour before bed so that your body can relax and recharge for the next day. A warm cup of tea will not only help you sleep well but also keep your blood sugar stable. Number 4, chamomile tea, not just a drink, but a secret to taking care of your body and mind. You may have enjoyed a cup of chamomile tea when you feel stressed, and you have certainly noticed the relaxing, soothing feeling it brings. But few people know that chamomile tea not only helps you relax, but also has a powerful effect in supporting blood sugar management, which is extremely important for people with diabetes or who want to maintain stable health. According to research, chamomile tea helps improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. In addition, chamomile also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, especially apigenin, which helps reduce inflammation in the body, an important factor that many people with diabetes need to deal with. Chronic inflammation is one of the causes of diabetes complications, so reducing inflammation will help the body function more effectively and reduce the risk of diabetes-related diseases such as cardiovascular disease and nerve damage. Not only that, chamomile tea is also known for its effect of improving sleep quality. If you have difficulty sleeping deeply and soundly, try brewing a cup of chamomile tea before bed. Chamomile tea acts as a natural medicine to reduce stress and calm stress hormones in the body, helping you have a better and deeper sleep. A good night's sleep will not only help you relax, but also help maintain stable blood sugar levels, especially during the night. If you want to maximize these benefits, simply brew a cup of strong chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bed, and let your body completely regenerate through a deep, relaxing sleep. With chamomile tea, you not only take care of your mental health, but also give your body a natural way to maintain stable blood sugar levels, helping you feel healthier every day. Number 5, unsweetened almond milk, a light yet powerful drink. If you're looking for an alternative to regular milk, especially to help control your blood sugar at night, unsweetened almond milk is a great choice. According to studies in the Journal of Diabetes Research, replacing high glycemic index drinks with unsweetened almond milk not only helps lower blood glucose levels, but also helps maintain more stable blood sugar levels in the morning. What's special about almond milk is that it's extremely low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, which means you can enjoy it without worrying about unexpected glucose spikes at night. While regular milks contain easily absorbed sugar, almond milk will help you maintain stable blood sugar levels while still providing essential nutrients. Additionally, unsweetened almond milk is a great source of vitamin E, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that are not only good for overall health but also support bone and muscle health. Not only that, almond milk also helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings at night, which will help you maintain a healthy weight, especially when combined with a balanced diet. You can drink almond milk directly in the evening before bed or add it to teas and smoothies to add delicious flavor and bring long-term health benefits. Surely, unsweetened almond milk will become an indispensable part of your daily healthcare routine. One of the most important things when making any changes to your diet is to listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently to each beverage, so try them one at a time and monitor how they affect your glucose levels in the morning. Keeping a record of your changes can help you figure out which drinks are best for your body, and it can also help you better understand how your body reacts to the ingredients in each drink. One thing to keep in mind is to choose natural, clean ingredients that are free of sugar or preservatives. If you want to achieve the best results, it is important to ensure that the source of the ingredients is pure and free of unnecessary chemicals or additives. Natural ingredients not only provide adequate nutrition but also help minimize the risk of side effects, helping you control your blood sugar more effectively and safely. However, drinking these drinks can only be most effective if combined with a healthy lifestyle. In addition to adding diabetes-controlling drinks to your daily routine, you also need to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. At the same time, regular exercise also plays an important role in improving insulin sensitivity and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Remember, diabetes management is a holistic process, including diet, exercise, and healthy living habits. With these great pre-bedtime drink options, you will not only help stabilize blood sugar but also improve sleep quality and overall health. Surely maintaining this habit will bring positive changes to your body. Try applying and feel the difference from these simple things. Don't forget that diabetes health is not a one-day battle but a long-term journey. Continue to take care of yourself and follow the useful tips in the next videos to improve your health every day.